buyers are not looking at homes in the same way they did few years ago. With today's mortgage interest rates, buyers are much more focused on monthly payment instead of just purchase price. That means even slightly overpriced homes in Fremont, San Jose and surrounding Bay Area cities may sit longer on the market. Buyers today carefully compare affordability, monthly cost, taxes, HOA fees and overall value before making the decision. Sellers who understand buyer psychology are positioning their homes much more effectively and attracting stronger buyer interest. Hi, this is Suma Sridhar, Bay Area real estate broker and a realtor. I help the sellers to understand today's buyer behavior and market trends so they can make smarter pricing decisions. Understanding how buyers think today can help you to price strategically and position your home successfully in today's market. Message me today for a personalized market analysis and Bay Area home pricing strategy. Thanks for watching. This is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and realtor serving Fremont, San Jose and surrounding Bay Area communities. Have a great day.